Eh bien, salut à tous les amis, c'est Wargaming. Aujourd'hui, on se retrouve sur une nouvelle vidéo. On est sur la 5e vidéo dessus. C'est la 5e vidéo, il me semble, parce que la dernière fois, c'était l'épisode 4. On avait fait 2 chapitres avec vous, les amis. Donc là, ça doit être sûrement l'épisode. On verra. We'll see. Dispatching. Time for dispatching. La dernière fois, on s'était laissé. Alors, j'avais fait un peu de la merde, j'avoue. Il s'était passé quoi? Il s'était passé que j'avais mal. On était en date et tout avec Aurore et tout. Tout se passait bien, franchement. La vie était parfaite, la vie était trop cool. Et après, j'ai mis ce clic sur une touche, du coup, j'ai demandé de rester professionnel. Et ça pue sa mère, je sais. Déjà, ça me fait chier, premièrement. Et après, bah, le reste. On a quoi d'autre? On a Aquaman. Je sais pas. Je me rappelle plus trop, je t'avoue, là, le dernier épisode. J'ai pas de souvenir. Ah, si, ouais, on s'est. Ouais, 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 je me rappelle. Si, si, ok. On était à une soirée et tout, de super vilains et tout. Après, on s'est grave bien entendu avec l'équipe et tout. À part flamber et tout, parce qu'on on a dit un peu notre identité. Et donc, nous voici au dernier épisode. Donc là, on est le combien? On est le 10, il me semble. Donc voilà, c'est le dernier épisode avant les 2 derniers qui vont être sortis dans 2 jours. Qui vont sortir dans 2 jours. Donc bah, j'ai hâte. Mais du coup, autant être à jour. Comme ça, je peux pas me faire spoil sur Twitter ou quoi. Parce que ce jeu, il est vraiment. Je pense pas qu'il était aussi connu que ça. Mais bref. Épisode 6. Changement. Les employés doivent faire preuve de bon sens et éviter les situations qui créent un conflit réel ou potentiel entre leurs intérêts personnels et ceux du SDH. Manuel de l'employé du SDH, page 12. On voit une photo de nous dans une sorte de couloir et une petite bouteille d'alcool. I don't know what. On est en slibard, putain, ok. Ok. On retente l'expérience de notre mecha.
Hey everybody, I appreciate you coming to see this. Your support means a lot.
More than a lot. It means 936 American dollars. Cash, lad.
We're only here because these broke asses want proof before they pay.
That actually makes way more sense.
Can't believe you actually hung out with these fuckers.
You jealous, old man?
Of what? Let me guess. You get into a bar fight? I'm right, right. That's what criminals do at bars. They ruin everybody's fun. Fact. If you're gonna make me stand next to a criminal, you could at least hurry this shit up.
If you're gonna make me stand next to Benjamin's fucking button, you could at least change his diaper.
You're the only one here that's full of shit.
Merde.
You're right. There was a bar fight, but it was actually Red Ring assholes who started it, not Z-Team assholes. Okay, we were just very aggressively defending ourselves.
I punched so many dicks. In self-defense. It was crazy. Okay, protocol test 19 ready to commence. We good when you good, command.
Engaging protocols. Now.
All readings super stable.
Here we go. Time to make your grand re-entrance.
Ça.
Alright, ready for launch.
Roger that.
Ça a l'air de marcher.
See there? Is that confirmation enough for you cheap ass
Bitches, pay me my money.
Fucking hell.
Told y'all, it's so obvious he don't have superpowers.
It's a fucking waste of time. If he was gonna lie about being a hero, why would he pick Mecha Man?
Reminder the mic is still open.
Not bad, right?
Looks better than the original.
The smoke is a little overkill.
I thought the same too, but I think the purple is a nice touch.
What smoke?
Shut it down!
down.
Oh, fuck, I'm on it.
Exploser. Wow. Wow, that shit's crazy. Ok, ça c'est un épisode ça. J'espère que Royd va bien. Oh, ah ouais quand même.
Welcome back.
How long was I out?
About 14, 15 hours, I think.
You okay, Royd? Why do you look worse than me?
It's over, brother. I cannot recreate the astral pulse. Too much power, too small a size. No pulse mean I can't make the man Mecca. I'm not good enough, bro. Fail you, I fail everybody. Almost bring down the whole team. Almost get you, almost get everybody blowed up.
Hey, listen. You might not believe in yourself right now, but I believe in you, Royd.
It's not a Little League game, brother. This real life.
Royd, you did your best. I can't ask for anything else. Thank you.
Bro, pourquoi il me fist bump pas?
I heard that big bastard crying in the bathroom. Makes it hard to shit when somebody's doing that next to you, you know?
Pretty distracting, yeah. Everyone else okay? And Visigo?
Fine. One thing she's good at is disappearing when people get hurt.
What's your deal with her? You give everyone shit, but it always seems extra with Vizzy.
She's a liability. And one of us needs to be objective when it's clear something's going on between the two of you. Don't think I don't see it. It's all over your stupid face. You like it. So I gotta hate her for the both of us.
She's challenging, which requires extra effort.
Seems like a lot of extra effort.
Yeah, I just said that. So, I don't know. Read that however you want.
Look, just be careful, kid. Some people, they're black holes. You reach out to help them and they just suck you in and do whatever the fuck black holes do. I don't know. They fuck you up.
Your new look screams I know some science shit, so I was with you the whole way.
Nah, come on, take the day off.
No, really. I'm fine. All I've got to do is sit at a desk.
Desk work doesn't land you in the infirmary. Think about that.
I'll mull it over.
Stick to the plan. If they're red ring or enhanced, proceed with caution. Oh, one sec. What are you doing up?
Turns out, I'm completely fine. Just sort of time traveled several hours into the future where I feel pretty rested.
Oh, cool, yeah. That happens to me every night.
Wish I could say the same. How's the ship going?
Good? Yeah, challenging. Made worse by all the enhanced villains we're dealing with lately. I have a whole new appreciation for you. I'm sorry about the pulse. Give us some time. Royd's a little down, but I'm sure we can come up with alternate power sources. Hey, really looking forward to tonight. Perfect timing.
Yeah, same. Wait, what do you...
Y'a quoi ce soir?
So
know dispatch dude, but I don't know if sending him a level at a sub at Sunday school was the move.
Divertir. Comment 4 personnes pour un truc de merde comme ça?
I need someone to wait in line for this really cool game that I'm old enough to play, and my parents said it was okay to call SDN.
Alors attendre patiemment. Et se fondre dans la masse. Oh là là, ok. Attendre patiemment, c'est quoi? C'est mobilité. Et se fondre dans la file pour ne pas ressembler à un revendeur. Ouais, je vais faire ça. Et divertir, bah... Ah, je t'avoue, je sais pas, hein.
I love a symmetrical stage picture.
Alright, what'd I fucking miss?
Holy shit, man, you're okay? Yeah, I was so fucking scared, dude.
Guess Mecha Man's a bit sturdier than we thought.
Damn, boy, you ate mad shit.
We got your present. Did you see it?
I did, thank you. That was very nice.
Well, we were remiss. I mean, we missed you. Glad you're back, Robbie. Things were almost too boring around here.
On a 10 s'il te plaît, ça devrait tellement suffire. Bah ouais.
Too bad there's no Grammy for this.
En parlant de Grammys, on va mettre plus en... Ah je sais pas hein. Le gars je pense. Et lui comment il se passe? Attendre patiemment, ok. Mais parfait. Pour l'instant tout est bon là. Étrangement. Ça se passe étrangement bien. Mettre sur lui. Oh là là. Nettoyer à fond.
Fear not. Don't worry. I got this.
Bah c'est un peu son travail, tu sais quoi, j'ai envie de l'envoyer.
Janitor coming through. I sort of know the ins and outs of stuff like this. I've been to some
Il y a
dark
plusieurs
places.
cyberattaques, expulser le pirate. Ok. C'est parti. Ça fait chier. Là il y a un monsieur là. Faut que je retourne.
That's right.
Allez frère. Oh bien joué. Oh il faut en code. Le code il est bad non. Oh oh bas. Ok. Ok, au bas j'essaie de retenir. Au bas, gauche, droite, gauche. Au bas, gauche, droite, gauche. Oh merde. Ok. Au bas, gauche, droite, gauche. Parfait. Gauche, droite, bas, haut. Et c'est fini. Perfecto Pepito.
Did Blazer hold down the fort okay?
She did the best she could. Must be a bit rusty.
She's been away from the desk too long.
I thought this was an easy job.
Well, it's not. I just make it look easy.
Shit, Robert.
Wow.
You're actually cool. He's not. He's just been gone all day, so it seems like he is.
Ouh là là, il y a un mec déguisé en phénoménal qui cherche la bagarre devant le bâtiment de la convention. Phénoménal fan. Escorté, arrêté, calmé.
Oh, what's it gonna be this time?
Arrêté, escorté, calmé. Calmé c'est la charisme. Arrêté je pense c'est vigueur et escorté c'est genre mobilité. Camas. On va rester sur ça je pense.
I wish I had a costume. I just got my skin. If this is skin.
Flambe is still out sick.
Sick of your shit, maybe.
But yeah,
Dommage.
I haven't heard anything from him since last night.
Funny. I thought he was gonna catch me on the way in, fuck me up in the parking lot.
Yeah, I thought so too.
Il y a un fantôme. Quelqu'un se connaît un exorcisme?
Time to go.
Enquêter. Vas-y.
Fuck yes.
Be cool.
Re-election's coming up and we're hosting a little roast of the mayor. An SDN hero would really round out our guest list.
Oh, il y a les
I
deux.
don't write my own jokes. Can't we
Ah,
hire
Bougam, il y a
somebody?
trop, frère. Impossible, j'ai le temps là.
Word on the street is, I'm
Oh là
about to
là.
make your job a whole lot easier.
J'aurais pas dû envoyer deux
feels like
personnes,
our
c'est
best
trop.
shot.
You are right on, mate. If there is spooky shit going on, I will sniff it right out.
Half man, half bat, all freak.
Ok, parfait. Oh,
Nice.
synergie max, ok, bien ouais. Augmentation majeure des chances de succès quand ils sont envoyés ensemble. Synergie max, attends, trop bien. Trop bien, trop bien. Je vais lui mettre... Hobby. Et lui, combat. Hop. Parfait. Et là, il en faut 3. Putain, mais je suis tellement foutu. Je suis tellement foutu. Là, faut réfléchir, là. Faut réfléchir, faut réfléchir. On a pu le divertir. Ok, parfait. Oui, je pense qu'il y a un ralenti. Il y a rien.
The baddest.
Holy shit, dude, fresh goss. Oh god, I hated that.
Ah, il y a moyen en fait, je peux y arriver. 4.
There's a full-on gang war happening at the warehouse district. Looks like Red Ring and the Frigos.
Shit. The Red Ring's closing in on this biker gang.
Oh, that's actually the Frigos. They're an e-biker gang. Way worse.
Arrêtez. Le lieutenant, résistance améliorée.
Give him hell.
Right back at ya.
On va faire ça, hein, j'ai pas le choix. Hein. Si on rate, c'est.
You are about to feel so much better. And
C'est
so am
dommage.
I.
3
Whoa,
et
did you
4,
guys hear
wesh,
Vandus
mais
saying
c'est
his
trop.
wife got divorced?
Sure did. My entire portfolio is fucked.
Aurore,
I knew the vibes were off this morning, but I couldn't tell if it was divorce vibes or shitty commute traffic vibes.
Hey, maybe she's not going to hell
je peux
after
pas
all.
envoyer d'autres, je vais envoyer.
Marrying someone can send you to hell.
Yeah, but only if you marry a billionaire.
Wesh, mais autant, frère.
The Yachties have taken over the mayor's after party. They're holding everyone hostage on their
Sauver,
yacht.
appréhender avant qu'il ne soit à la rançon. Oh là là, ok.
The faction of light needs your help to overtake the faction of darkness.
Jouer le héros du. Le rôle.
Preferably before 8 when the
Le héros de la
park closes.
prophétie. Faites les
What the
couilles
fuck
là.
is a LARP?
It stands for live
Une
action
fois par
role
période de
play,
rêve, vous pourrez
but
initialiser toutes les
it's
stats
not
dans la
a
base de
sex
données et
thing.
redistribuer ces
It's
mots.
like
C'est
people
marrant ça.
dressing up and playing pretend type shit.
Golem
Still sounds like a sex
s'étend
thing.
pour remplir les emplacements vides, augmentant ses stats de 25% par emplacement. Lorsque c'est avantageux, jusqu'à 200%. Wesh, attends, quoi? Donc, ok. Une fois par période de travail, vous pourrez initialiser. Ok. Donc, soit ça, c'est genre par exemple, il y a 4 cases et je l'envoie juste lui. Bah, il augmente ses stats de 25%, ce qui est quand même pas mal. Mais après, les stats de 25%, c'est. Regarde, frérot. 25% de 1. Bah, c'est pas beaucoup, genre. Bon. Ou soit, je peux réinitialiser toutes ces stats pour chaque période de travail. Ça, c'est plutôt intéressant, en vrai. En vrai, je vais prendre ça, c'est mieux, je trouve. Ok, comment ça se passe? Ok, tranquille, tranquille.
Hey man, just wanted to say, you rock.
Nah, that's just because I'm standing
Oh là là,
next
tout
to
le
you.
monde augmente en plus un niveau. Bon, Aquaboy, frérot, qu'est-ce que je vais te mettre? Qu'est-ce que je vais te mettre? Je vais te mettre de la vitesse, je pense. C'est bien de la vitesse, je pense. Putain. Ensuite, toi, on demande de tout déjà. Et toi. C'est équilibré là. 1, 3, 5, 3, 5. 1, 3, 5, 3, 5. Je dirais... Bah encore. Hein. Comment je vais faire là? Je vais mettre le fin au repos à lui. On va mettre le rôle du héros de la prophétie.
Nothing beats the original, but this will have to do.
Oh, I know these guys. Used to be one of their storm guards back in the day. Ah, good times.
Knew me? Fucking rocks.
Ok. C'est quoi le plus intéressant? C'est de normal ou de spécialisé mais de perdre un petit peu en tout? Donc soit je suis plus intelligent, soit je suis plus rapide.
Guess what?
Sauver, appréhender. Rapide, donc sauver, appréhender. Vas-y, go ça, hein, je sais pas, frère.
You gonna be online tonight?
Wesh, bouge.
Great. Otherwise, I gotta play with randos.
Je suis foutu là.
Mr. Vanderstank is
Je
requesting
ne peux rien
assistance.
faire, je
His
pensais
line
pas
of
que ce serait aussi
delivery
rapide,
bots
genre.
appear to have gained sentience and are attacking the city.
Bah marrant. Bah, je vais laisser, frère. Oula, choisis une classe pour mener à la lumière. Le chevalier, le roublard, le barbare. Le barbare. Wow, mais je crois que j'avais pas besoin de tant de personnes pour
I'm
celui-là.
stacking mad dubs today, baby.
Robbery downtown. Suspect is in pursuit, but we need SDN to defrost the bank.
Faire fondre la glace. Briser la glace, ok.
Opportunity for flambe to burn shit.
Ah mais y'a pas flambé là. Putain c'est vrai j'avais pas remarqué frère. Drôle. Il est pas venu au taf frère mais je savais que j'étais son ennemi mais bon à ce point frérot lâche ça. Mais c'est abusé du coup vu que je l'ai dit. Parce que si je l'avais pas dit il aurait pas su et du coup il aurait... s'en serait foutu genre. Enfin il sera venu du coup. Et du coup je peux pas l'envoyer. Utilise les points. Ouais.
Ma'am? Okay, you have to stop calling me that.
Mince, hein. Encore mes frères. Non c'est trop, y a... Wesh tout ça. Ouais c'est impossible frérot. Oh c'est impossible mon gars, comment je fais? Vous voyez c'est trop dur hein. C'est beaucoup trop dur. Les 0 €. M'améliorer totalement. Ah là je l'améliorerai à fond là. Rang 10. Ah ouais putain. Oh mais c'est pas des stats de ouf ça. Enfin quoique c'est pas mal. Et lui. F. Ah je peux remettre ses stats du coup. Oh cool. Là je vais lui mettre... Je je sais pas, parce qu'on a quand même pas mal de vigueur. Mais d'un côté, ça peut toujours être bien d'en avoir un peu plus. Attends, on va voir pour Courpif là. Il est rang 8 et il a 6, 6, 5. Ok. Ok, non, je vais lui mettre vigueur, je pense. Parce que l'attaque, on a déjà quand même pas mal. Par contre, là, je suis du père.
Listen, it was bring your kid to work day, and I thought he could try using the forklift.
Oh là là. Donc là, c'est que des quêtes à 4000 personnes là.
They're inside. Oh God, there's blood everywhere. Help!
Soigne une blessure. Ouais, mais là.
There's some activity down in the sewers. My tenants are getting uneasy. Can you folks look into it?
Frère, le temps qu'il se repose. 100% cool.
Jesus, that took forever.
Elle, je vais lui mettre. Je vais mettre ça. Lui.
Time to freak some fuckers out.
Je réfléchis là. Je réfléchis. Je peux presque envoyer tout le monde là. Ok, ok, je tente un truc,
Call me a bogo bitch.
Il faut détruire. Ok, j'envoie que elle. Hop,
Yeah, tell whatever fucking loser that needs us that I'm on my way.
hop. Et là, mon gars, on va faire une team de rêve. Oh là 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 là. 10 sur 10. Si on la réussit pas, frérot.
I thought you said you had it.
No, that was me.
Night, everyone. Oh, I'm pretty fucking beat.
Ok, ouais, 50-50.
I've got the booze.
Folks down for a
dommage.
carpool? I got room.
I'm good. I'll fly over in a bit.
I would like a ride. I'll bring extra towels.
Je sais pas si c'est les derniers shifts là. Mais ça se passe comment? Ça s'est bien passé? Ouais, aise je pense. Ah, quoique. Effectivement, mobilité c'est ce qui nous manque. Ah là 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 là.
This doesn't normally happen to me.
Sonar?
Tac.
I mean, you're half bat.
Ok, donc j'ai pris un truc de 4 pour qu'il se résout en
You think all
choix.
hybrid species just get along?
Synergie max. Augmentation majeure des chances de succès qui sont ouais, ensemble. Ok. Ça c'est cool. J'ai l'impression que j'ai que 2. Donc 1, 2. La synergie avec elle, elle a pas de synergie en fait. Je crois que sa synergie avec elle c'est coupé. Et du coup elle est pas là quoi. C'est bien dommage. Là faut que je développe à Cowboy et l'autre là. Putain.
Half man, half bat, all freak.
Ok, bon, ça aurait pu être worse, I guess. Oh, j'ai niveau max. Réussir haut la main son évaluation. Mise à jour de l'évaluation. Rang max de carrière agent. Ok. Remet sur pied un héros. Et un point aléatoire. Ok. Un point de combat. Ça c'est cool ça, ok. Oh, j'aimerais trop lui mettre à lui, frère. Oh, ce serait trop beau cut. Avec son truc de stats en plus, je peux lui mettre n'importe quoi. Ce serait vraiment bien, genre. Ok. Bon, bah, plutôt bien. Ça aurait pu être pire.
mean, you know, it feels like for the first time in a long time, I can see a life without Mecha Man. You know, which I'm sure you would appreciate. Been nice that we get to spend more time together, right? I don't want to die in that suit. I think for a long time, maybe I did. Like, it was the only option. Whether it was the suit exploding or just me keeling over in it as an old man, figured my story would always end in there. But not so much anymore. But just when I feel like I got a handle on it, got it figured out, I think about Chase and my dad and Shroud, then I get all fucked up.
You know what I'm saying, Beef? You know what I mean.
Berk.
Yeah, exactly. See, this is why I appreciate her talks.
Qu'est-ce qui se passe?
Are you decent?
Definitely a house that needs some warmth.
Yeah, I told him that the last time I came. Somehow it looked worse.
I am in my underwear.
I can see you. I was joking when I asked if you're decent.
I know. I just need you to know that I know how I look right now.
That rubs out, by the way. You just have to put a little muscle into it. Do you know where you want to hang this?
Why are you holding a lamp?
I think he's only considered where he'd hang himself. That corner seems fine. It's a housewarming gift for your housewarming party, Robert. I told people to bring a lamp or something.
Wait, people? More people are coming here?
C'est pourquoi on fait une crémaillère que je ne suis pas au courant de ma maison.
Know what it looks like to me with your tidy whities.
Okay, she just touched my.
This is the photo area. Kind of morbid. Which I'm kind of into.
Is that my work computer?
We figured it out, brother. The man can be Mecha again.
After your little premature Jack explosion, I had this feeling like I'd seen it before.
Then Vizzy asked me to get the energy reading we got this morning and cross-reference with recent calls.
Wait. It's not destroyed?
Nope. And a bunch of B-grade villains have been trying to unlock its power only to end up blowing their asses off like you did. Then they sell it on the next sucker and the same shit. It's passed hands at least 4 times that we've tracked.
How does Shroud not know this?
Yeah, probably think like us. Think it was destroyed. But he's a smart fucker, and he gonna figure it out soon enough.
That's why we get to it first.
Which is why we're having a party?
The Z-Teamers know every low-level supervillain in 3 counties. We track its location. They'll know who has it. Then we kick in some doors, knock some heads, snatch that shit back, and you'll be pulsing or whatever in no time.
And you sure that this will work? I've had about as much heartbreak as I can take today.
No clue. It's not like you got anything better to do.
You make a compelling argument.
So, one of the last pings that we got was from a boat over here in Marina del Rey. Which is?
Oh, Yachty territory.
Why, she's here first. You know much about those guys?
Old money crew of ascot wearing cokeheads. Skylar Arcadia runs it now. 3 generations that family's been trying to finger me.
What are they accusing you of?
You're cute.
We're gonna ask you some questions about a piece of tech they moved. But first, Rob gotta put on pants.
Aw, what? But then I can't do this.
Yep, right on that.
Keep close for this. LOL.
I wake up exhausted, even in the morning, like I'm made out of decaf. I'm barely running. Oh, and I hate parties. It's just too many bodies. I don't like small talk. I'm always leaving early. Then I met you and my eyes changed.
What the fuck?
And now you're in my eye range. I'm gunning for you. You changed my heart in a big way. Now every
Ah, c'est trop cool.
celebration and I wanna say when you're around it's already alright, already
Aww.
alright. Like a radio, I'm tuning into you, I'm tuning into you. You're turning me on, you're turning me on. And I'm my own person, not like I need protection. It's just that I wanna change and go in your direction. God, you're a laser beam, you're on my team.
Ah, c'est de ça, j'ai compris. Eh oui, eh oui. Ah, je kiffe trop. C'est vraiment, on est des potes, genre on est devenus potes. I wish entreprise were like that. Wow. So what? It's gonna be Invisi-Girl du coup ou quoi là?
You do understand how projectors work, right?
Felt more dramatic. And bare walls are a sign of depression.
Why is it always a warehouse by the docks?
It's where stuff comes in and stuff goes out. Not a rocket scientist, are ya?
No, that was my dad. What kind of security are you dealing with?
That's where it gets tricky.
Shit. That's more than shit. You need a fucking army.
I'll go. Can't shoot what you can't see.
Look, this is really great work, but doing this tonight is out of the question. Hitting a secure location like this is something they would handle downtown.
Are you kidding? There's enough firepower in this room to take down a fucking kaiju.
Bunch of drunk-ass Z-teamers, please. Y'all wouldn't make it past the front door.
No one's asking you to do a goddamn thing, okay?
Hey, no need for that. We take the day to plan it with downtown and hit the warehouse tomorrow night.
Tomorrow night? This thing's not gonna sit still for that long. If we don't grab it, someone else will.
This is incredible, Viz, but Laser's right. We make the plan.
Non, on peut pas le faire
No need to rush
maintenant.
this.
There's no guarantee it'll be there tomorrow. We need to go now.
She said no. You understand that word, or has it got too many fucking syllables for you?
Why don't you go walk your ass around a mall, Grandpa? Heroes are talking.
You are no fucking hero.
Whoa, hey!
She named you Invisigal, you named yourself Invisibitch, and you had it fucking right.
Chase, you're drunk. You need to stop talking.
You want to get people hurt, get people fucking killed, then you need to go back to the team where you belong.
Chase, that's enough.
This is crazy.
She thinks she's like you, but she's not. Robert doesn't need to keep going out there with no powers, putting his life on the line to make up for assholes like you. He doesn't need to be Mecha Man to be a hero. You playing them, you're playing yourself. You think you're invisible, but I fucking see you.
You don't know anything about
Wow.
I know you're a liar, criminal. I know you're fucking dangerous. What else do I need to know? There. Now I know you're a coward.
Oh my god.
Oh my god. Vizzy, wait!
That was a nice uppercut. That bitch sent his ass airborne. How are you not dead?
Chase, are you alright?
That's enough for tonight. I'm sorry this turned into... whatever just happened. Anyone who utters one word about what happened tonight fucking answers to me. Got it?
Invisigal.
Yeah, so I might have to do that once a month or so as a release of my hatred.
Marrant.
But perhaps with some time, you'll be less of a bitch to me. Yeah, we'll see. Happy housewarming, bitch. Your place fucking sucks.
Bon bah au moins il est de retour. Je comprends pas leur bif entre les. Je comprends pas pourquoi ils s'aiment pas genre.
Sir, you can't park there. That's the red zone. Thought you went home.
Came back to apologize. All these goddamn apartments look the same. That guy watching us from the balcony walked into his house thinking it was yours. Sorry about that.
Fuck you!
Hey, he said he was sorry.
Well, fuck you too!
Okay, let's just...
Bon, il y a plus de lumière ici, c'est cool.
You sure this ain't vodka?
She told you?
Made quite a first impression. Didn't know you were into spitting in people's mouths. Kinky shit. It's that internet somehow made sex boring.
Okay, now you sound how you look.
Another thing I can't do anymore. Fuck. Maybe it's why I say the word so much.
Sorry, Chase.
Wow, c'est vrai ça. He can go hard, bro.
You ever think about why we do what we do? Help people. Put it all on the line for someone who won't ever know your name, won't send you a thank you card, won't be at your bedside when you get hurt.
I don't know. That's how I'm wired, I guess.
And here you are trying to rewire a bunch of criminals.
That first week, Vizzy was gonna walk off the team. You know, she's feeling low, talking about how she was born with powers that always meant she'd end up as a villain. Like he was fated. So, obviously, I gave her the pep talk, you know. Like, that's all bullshit. You make up your own fate, yada yada. I don't even remember what I said, but I do remember thinking, oh, fuck. Yeah, that must have been hard. Like, if I didn't have you, you know, and my dad, where would I have ended up?
You were always good. That was always in you. It's what makes us different from a thief like her.
Oh, come on. You've stolen things, too.
What? You racist motherfucker. I never stole a fucking thing in my entire fucking life.
Chase, you've literally stolen things from me.
Oh, yeah, but that doesn't count. That was for somebody else.
What, you quietly contemplating?
Yeah, I guess I hadn't considered some things. But I think the answers are out there if you just listen to the wind.
Okay.
I see why you and Beef get along.
Oh, where's my guy? Oh, I'm sorry, my poor boy. That's it, there's my boy, there's my good boy. Who's a good boy? Beef is.
Dis pas elle y allait toute seule. Oh, c'est tellement sûr, frère.
Is there a mic on this? Hey! Hey, can you hear me? The fuck are you doing?
Oh, not much. Just looking for your stupid-ass pulse that's somewhere on this big-ass boat. This one must have dropped a pin in the supervillain group chat, because this place is crawling with dipshits. Good news is, they don't know where it is either.
You know who's not good, Beefy boy? You know who's a real pain?
Vizzy.
Get out of there now.
Look, you're disappointed, I'm disappointed. I'm sure Chase will have some shit to talk, but I'm here, and this is our last chance of getting this thing.
Okay, maybe if I can hack into the system, I can trace the energy signal. Check the manifest.
Something would be great. Yeah, let's start with something.
Ok, bon bah apparemment on va jouer. Ok, ouh là 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 là, my god bro. Il y a un code. Haut droite. Ok, haut droite, haut droite. Haut droite,
Shit,
haut
I
droite.
need a password.
Haut droite, ok. Wesh. Y'a quoi ici frère? Ah! J'avais pas capté.
Hey, I'm getting a huge energy reading coming from the captain's quarters.
Right, and I'm supposed to know where that is?
See that tower?
Capitaine.
The biggest one. It's at the top.
Oh, perfect. So you want me to cross this active battlefield?
Look, I didn't want you to do any of this shit.
I get it, okay. Jesus.
Keep your eyes peeled for Visivich. Looks like she might know something we don't.
Shit, they're onto me.
Oh, hey, there's a door to your left.
Fuck, it's locked. Feel free to take your time. Just catching up with some old friends.
Ok. Ouh là 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 là. Ok. Wesh, attends. Ok, 1.
Almost got it.
Oh, fait chier, y'a un code. Ah.
I think I can use this.
Hurry up!
Yeah, I'm doing my best for you, bro. Gauche, gauche ou droite? Hop. Oh. Allez, tu peux le faire, tu peux le faire.
Okay, hey, Izzy, lead him towards that speaker tower. I've got an idea.
Better be a good one.
Oh my god, bro. What the fuck is this map, bro? The fuck is wrong with you, man?
Working on
The
it.
fuck is wrong with you, man?
Work faster!
Don't you mess with me.
Ok. Oh là là, ok, j'ai capté. Oh. Hop, 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 hop. Ok, j'ai réussi. Cool.
Busy, cover your ears.
Ok.
Is that why birds fly into shit?
Busy, look out, behind you.
Wesh, tout ça.
Fuck me. How am I supposed to get around that?
Look, hey, just worry about not dying. I'll find you a way around.
Ça va être invisible, c'est broken, frère. Ok. Oulala.
God, why does the crane have the hardest controls?
Putain, ok, il me faut un code.
My knee just passing.
Oh mon dieu, mais il y a un truc à gauche là. Gauche, 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 droite.
Fuck me, they're minding me.
Gauche, 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 droite. Hop. Gauche, 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 droite. C'est ça, non? Gauche, 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 droite?
Now the crane.
Ok, parfait.
Heads up, lights here.
Ouf. Ok.
The captain's quarters should be right in front of you.
Tell us where the pulse is, Invisibitch, before we go full Pompeii on your ass.
Full Pompeii on my ass? What kind of threat is that? You gonna give me diarrhea?
Wait, no. That was predictable.
Where the fuck is this thing? Because that's not gonna hold him for long.
It's in the safe.
The safe? I don't know how to open a fucking safe.
Fuck. Alright, let me see what I can do.
Ok.
I'd say this was excessive, but
Just hurry up! They're almost through the door.
Wesh. Frère, tout ça? Oh là là, oh la merde. Frère! Putain. Oh, c'est hard. Comment il y a autant d'ennemis, frère? Je suis coincé? Bah oui, mais frère! Comment je fais? Oh, bon. Heureusement qu'on garde un peu de trucs là. Hop, toi t'es mort. Toi t'es mort. Toi t'es mort.
Alright, shit, there's no more.
Ok, j'ai activé un truc, je sais pas quoi. Oh non, tu vois. Où j'aille là-bas? Ok. Hop. Hop. Ok.
Alright.
Gate's open. Is it in there?
I don't know. Does it look like a little glowy butt plug?
You know what? I guess it does. Okay.
So now all you gotta do is sneak past the...
Why did stop?
Ouh là là.
Holy shit, are they? Robert, what's going on?
I'm here. Just hang on. Trying to get the camera back online. I see you. You're good. Just take one step at a time.
Ouh là là, c'est l'horreur, frère. Oh, c'est l'horreur. Non.
Hey, Lizzie, stay calm. Your inhaler. It's...
Oh l'horreur.
Hey, Lizzie, he's just gonna keep fucking with you, but you don't give up, okay? Lizzie, you gotta fight. Please. Lizzie, hey, listen to me. You get up. Get up!
Keep up.
No!
Il va faire quoi? Oh, il utilise son pouvoir!
Okay, yeah, you're good.
Quoi il joue? Oh!
Where's my fucking keys?
Hey, wake up. No. No, don't fucking do this, please. Please, Chase.
Quoi? Je peux pas y croire, frère. Ça finit comme ça! Ça finit comme ça, je dois attendre 2 jours pour continuer! Non! Non! Évidemment, frère, mais oui, mais pourquoi je l'ai pas vu? Mais oui, la discussion dans le balcon, bah oui, c'est pourquoi, à ton avis? Putain. C'est ça du coup son pouvoir, parce que moi j'avais pas trop capté au début le pouvoir, mais il disait qu'il pouvait pas l'utiliser parce qu'il était trop vieux ou je sais pas quoi. Mais c'est ça en fait. Putain de merde, frère. Aïe aïe aïe. Shroud était là, Shroud. Putain. Bon bah il a le cœur déjà. C'est chiant. Et Chase c'est quelque part, quelque part. 55% des gens. 70% des joueurs ont aidé. Ok. Après moi j'ai pas choisi, je t'avoue, de danser avec elle. 37% avaient contracté vos muscles. Aïe 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 aïe, non frère, c'est trop. Tu peux pas faire ça, frère. Sonar c'est mon mec, j'ai l'impression. Oh là là, frère, non, 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 non. Déjà, y a rien qui va, y a rien qui va du tout. Aïe aïe aïe, y a rien qui va. Putain, déjà j'ai pas Aurore là. Putain, les 2 derniers épisodes, je sais pas à quoi m'attendre, frère. Ok, bon. Bah merci d'avoir regardé la vidéo. Hein. Je pense que le 12, vous allez recevoir les choses et puis on verra bien.